Due to this pandemic, I am sure that most of us are glued to our computers and keyboards as we do our work from home for long hours. Because of this, wrist strain is inevitable. And so I searched for a keyboard palm rest on the web. Mind you, it's supposed to be a keyboard palm rest because you're not supposed to put pressure on your wrist as you type. So again, this is from Iron Meets Wood. You can check out their Facebook page by clicking the link down in the description. Before you decide to buy a palm or wrist rest for your keyboard, also make sure that your chair and your desk is at the right height, so the purpose of the keyboard would also be ergonomic for you. Now let's take a closer look at it. So the maker told me that this is made out of a Surian wood, which is a Malaysian type of wood, and it has a natural finish. I also sent them a logo of my acoustic duo for them to engrave. It has a non-skid tape at the bottom to prevent it from slipping on your desk. This is priced at 950 pesos, and plus the customized engraving. Of course, there's an additional fee and they charged 480 pesos for this one. If you are wondering, they do have a lot of woodworks to offer. Just make sure to check their page on FB. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.